in that vast continent known as Africa for years and for centuries. Africa has been one of the most exploited continents in the history of the world.
We must, with positive action, seek to remove those conditions of poverty, insecurity, and injustice. Every nation must now develop an overriding loyalty to mankind as a whole. We must move past indecision to action. We must find new ways to speak for justice throughout the developing world, a world that borders on our doors. If we do not act, we shall surely be dragged down the long, dark, and shameful corridors of time, reserved for those who possess power without compassion, might without morality, and strength without sight.
It seems this morning that I can hear God speaking. I can hear Him speaking throughout the universe. If you don't stop, if you don't straighten up, if you don't stop extorting people, I'm going to rise up and break the backbone of your power. And I say to you this morning, my friends, rise up and know that as you struggle for justice, you do not struggle alone. Because God is working in this world and at this hour and at this moment.